Pretty Vishi. Hakuna. Nadia Mkami. Alisha Ganini.
Hello Madola.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm going to show you photos of Kenyan celebrities. Now you're going to mention them. We are going to start.
Boso.
My name is Motherfucker.
Ashindwe.
Jay Glaski. Na wasiwajui.
What?
Sparrow.
Hello.
Ukwaji.
I'm supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Oh my God.
Sawa Sparrow. I'm going to show you photos of celebrities and you're going to mention them. You're going to start.
Very ready.
Number 1.
Willy Pose.
Yes.
Carl Graf Jones.
Yes.
Boso Khan.
Yes.
Bien.
Yes.
Pass. Burna Boy. Pass. Bahati. Pass.
Modekai.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm going to show you pictures of celebrities and you're going to name them. Number 1,
Asli.
2,
Zari.
3,
Nadia Mkami.
4,
Aziad Nyasenya.
5,
Diana Bahati.
6,
Bridget Blue.
7,
Toxic Lyrically.
8,
Njerai.
9,
Bahati.
10,
Omalay.
11,
Burna Boy.
12,
Savara Mdigi.
13,
Bien Soul.
14,
Boso.
15,
Papa Jones.
16.
Willy Pose.
How are you?
I'm good. Pretty Vishi.
Hakuna.
Nadia Mkami. Aziad. Diana B. Alisha Ganini. Toxic Lyrical.
Madola.
Lulu Hassan. Bahati. Omalay. Burna Boy. Savara. Bien. Mboso. Oji. Willy Pose.
Hi Dan.
Hi.
Number 1,
Hi, Willy Paul.
2,
OG.
3,
Mboso.
4,
Bihan.
5,
Nashinsky.
6,
Burna Boy.
7,
Toxic.
8,
Bahati.
9,
Kanda.
11,
Polycarp.
12,
Bridget Blue.
13,
Beyonce.
14,
Aziad.
15,
With them, Makanyari. Marion.